So by the title of this video, today I'm going to be sharing with you my YASS box of the month of May, and I have it right here. As you know, if you have watched any of my unboxing videos, I like to unbox my products, but I also want to try it on my face, which is what I just did right now. So the look that I have right now includes some of the products, or all of the products actually, that came on my YASS that I could try right now, and I'm going to be sharing those products with you and also sharing a clip while I try the products. If I decide to not share a clip, I might just do a mini tutorial at the end, so I'll let you know right now over here so you can know if this is going to be with a mini tutorial at the end or if it's just going to be I'm just going to show you a clip of me applying the products. So let's start right away with telling you a little bit more about YASS. Actually, in case you don't know about it, it's a subscription box where you get 5 to 7 full-size products for $13.99, which realistically at the end it comes to $16.40 something cents. I think is either with because of the taxes or because of the shipping, something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what it comes through. But on their website, if you go, it says $13.99. And then every month we've been receiving really nice products. In case that you're curious to know more about it or like see other boxes, I'm gonna leave a little card over here for you guys to check out previous unboxings of YASS, and that way you can have a better idea of what comes in this box every month. So far it's usually makeup products, but we also get here and there a little beauty product, and this month we received one of them, and I'll show it to you real quick soon. But first, this is the card that we receive. Usually every month we receive a card that has a theme. This one says Cinco de Mayo, as you can see. And then in the back, one of the times it had details on the products, but most of the times it just shows like how much you're saving, and it says that this month you're saving 79% off retail. And yeah, that is the card. And then first product I'm going to show you is something I haven't tried yet, but I am most likely going to try today. So if I do, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you know in the comments below how this product worked. And it is a mask by the brand Masquerade, and as you can see, it's called the Detox Diva. And I haven't tried any of their masks, but I've heard a lot about them, so I'm really excited to try this one, especially because of what it claims to do. It says that it's a hydrating sheet mask that it helps exfoliate and detoxify, and it has green tea, lemon, and cactus extract. So I am super excited for this mask. My face has been a little bit on the dry side lately, so I think this is gonna be amazing. And like I said, I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know in the comments below how it worked today or tonight. And then another product that I'll be sharing with you, which is the main product I tried today. It is an eyeshadow palette, and so far I believe since I first received this box, we've received a eyeshadow palette. This is the second time we get an eyeshadow palette by this brand called Beauty Creations, which I've always wanted to try, and I got to try since I decided to get my YASS. And this one is called the Seduce Me eyeshadow palette, and you're gonna see in a second what it looks like. It's really nice. They all come with a little like slip, so you can take it out. That's just to protect the eyeshadow palette. And once we open it, it has a mirror. So, and then we also have the name of the palette inside, the name of the brand on top of here, and then the colors, which this one is mainly just like the outside shows. It's more of like a pinky, not even pinky actually, a purpley palette. And then we have some golds, some rose gold. I love this color. What's it? This one over here. I think it looks amazing. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to swatch a couple of the products for you. So here you can see 3 of the colors, and I've already swatched 3 more on my hand, on the back of my hand here. They look absolutely amazing. So let me just swatch this 3. And I'm actually wearing this one today. I put this one on my lower lash line, as you're going to see in the clip or the mini tutorial at the end. And they're just really buttery. All this kind of like metallic shades. They are really pigmented, really, as you see, metallic. It's just beautiful. I'm really excited about all these products or these colors on the palette. And as far as the mattes, they're also kind of buttery. They are a little bit on the powdery side, at least when I used the crease colors and the outer corner purple that you're going to see me using. It was a little powdery, but it does show on my lids, which I am super excited about because, you know, not all eyeshadow palettes do that. So let me just swatch these three colors over here. I don't know if you guys can actually see those colors. So there you can see they are, you know, some of them I think are a little bit better quality than the other ones. That light purple, I kind of wish I would have just gone with that color just to see how it shows. I might do a look later and just show you on Instagram or something, but they look all very, very nice. The quality, I would say that is a nice, really nice quality, especially like I said with the metallic shades. I love them. They look amazing, and maybe the lighter shades for me that I'm a little bit darker are not the best, but if you're lighter skin, I think they will look absolutely amazing on your eyes. And the next product on the bag, it's this one by the brand called Mervice Cosmetics, which is the first time I've heard of the brand, and it's called the Dew Pot, and it's an illuminator in a pot. It comes in this little packaging, which it looks pretty nice. I've, like I said, never heard of the brand, but I was excited to try this illuminator. I'm not big on like cream illuminators, and this one I think it didn't surprise me at all because this one, it's the color looks nice on the pot and the quality feels nice, but the color doesn't really show my skin, and this is why I didn't really use it as a highlight on my face, because I wanted something that popped a little bit more, and I wanted something that it could be a little bit more on the pinky side than the gold side. As you can see, I went a little bit more for a pinky look everywhere, pinky purple, something like that. Next, I have two lip products. One of them is this one by Mirabella Beauty, and it is a lip product or a lip pencil, and this is what it actually looks like. It is really, really nice. I kind of was just like, lip liner, I don't use them very much, but this one is really nice. Let's see if the camera wants to focus. So this one is really nice because not only I love the color, but also the quality actually feels pretty good. So I'm gonna just swatch it for you, and this is just like quickly just swatching it. You can see it's just really good. So this lip liner is very pigmented. I love the color. It is just perfect kind of purple color, which I definitely don't have in a lip liner. So I'm really excited for it. I applied it on my lips, and then I applied the next product on top of it, which is actually a product that I already owned because I received on a BoxyCharm, which is another subscription box that if you haven't heard of, I would recommend for you to click the little card over here to check it out because it's an amazing subscription box. It is actually my favorite, and I received this product on that like maybe 2 months ago on that subscription box. It is by the brand Appeal Cosmetics, and it's called the Holographic lip gloss. And what I did was, like I said, I applied it on top of the lip liner, which I think looks absolutely amazing. This lip gloss, as the name says, it is holographic, and I think you can kind of see the little blue shift on my lips. So what I do to keep it a little bit clean, at least the Dolpha applicator, I apply a little bit on my hands, and then I just go on my lips and kind of just pat it on top of the lip liner. And I love this gloss not only on top of lip liners but also on top of like any kind of matte lipstick. It just gives it like just an amazing kind of I don't know, beautiful shine. It is not sticky at all. It is very, very light. You barely feel it on your lips, and it does feel a little like hydrating. So like I said, love it, and really excited. Since I have a second one, I'm probably just gonna give it away to a friend or maybe my mom or something, or I'm actually been thinking about doing a giveaway soon, so might even leave it there for a giveaway eventually, because I think it's about time we do a giveaway in this channel. So if you like giveaways, I would recommend for you to hit the like button so I can know that you guys are excited for a giveaway, and then also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of my videos, and that way whenever I post a video that's gonna have the giveaway, you can be the first one to participate in the giveaway. Alright guys, and that is it for the video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos. Please remember that there's also the little bell button, and if you click on it, you're never gonna miss one of my uploads, especially since sometimes life gets a little complicated and I don't post once a week like I'm supposed to. I know I didn't do it for a little while, but I'll try to do my best. So in that case, like I said, just hit the bell button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next one. Alright guys, let's start right away the tutorial by using the products in the back. But first I am starting with my Makeup Forever smoothing primer. I am going to apply this all over my face. I am just kind of smoothing it all over the face. This is going to help prepare the skin for the foundation, and I think it's an okay primer, nothing too special. And then I'm going in with my e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm going to apply this on my lids, and this is to prepare them for the eyeshadows, which is what I'm going to do first. The color of the concealer is medium beige. All of the products are listed down below. I always try to list them down below in the description box in case you're curious to know any of them or I forget to mention them while I'm talking here. And I'm going to be using this eyeshadow palette, which is the one that you guys saw I received on my YASS. It is a very beautiful palette called Seduce Me. I'm going to start first with this color called Dirty Talk, which is like a peachy color. As you're going to see, I am trying to apply it on my eyes. It really doesn't show very much, but I still wanted to have like the first transition color on my first crease color, and then I decided to go in with the color right away called Risque, since I saw the peachy wasn't really showing. And I am applying this with the same brush, which is kind of like one of those little crease brushes, and I am just applying it lightly, trying to use it kind of like my transition color, or trying to diffuse it as best possible. And I'm going in with this color called Inner Goddess, and this is the color I'm going to apply a little my lid. It's kind of like a rose gold color, very beautiful, and it's very creamy. This color is amazing. I feel like the metallics are better quality than the mattes, so that one I really like it, and it really pops on my skin. As you saw, the purple kind of fades a little bit, so I went in a couple of times to kind of revive it. Now I'm going with the foundation. I'm going to be using a mix of these two foundations. One of them is the Revlon Candid Photo Ready foundation in the color 410, and then I'm using the Infallible Fresh Wear by L'Oreal. It's in the color 485, and I am just applying it with a sponge all over my face, and I'm going back in with the e.l.f. Camo concealer, and I am going to apply it under my eyes to brighten up, and also in the center of my face. I do have to say that I am almost sure, I'm going to try it one more time, but I'm almost sure that this concealer broke me out. I've heard people saying that, and I was hoping that it wouldn't break me out, but I'm almost sure it was that, because one side of my face is breaking out pretty bad. Or not like super bad, but I got kind of like clogged pores on that area, which I never really get. And my skin, as you saw before I applied the foundation, is doing very well, so I think it was this, but I will give it one more try before I condemn it into being a concealer that I'm never gonna use. And now I'm going in with the Itsmyrayeraye beige cosmetic eyeshadow palette. Actually, it's eye and face palette. I'm using that lightest color in the palette just to set under my eyes. I don't think these colors have a name. The color was actually really nice. I was thinking that's gonna make my under eye look a little darker, but it didn't. And now I'm using this beautiful dull color brush to apply the bronzer, which I'm not even using the darkest one here, because the darkest one is very dark. It's amazing for anyone who has darker skin, so this medium color works perfectly for me. I think it shows up very well, and with this brush it just makes it super easy and super fast to apply. So of course I'm applying it in the areas where we want to make our face look a little bit smaller, on the nose, the forehead, the cheeks, and all that good stuff. You guys know how it goes. If you have any questions, you can always ask me down below. I always answer my questions. Never forget, guys. Now I'm going with this lightest color in the Seduce Me palette called Save Word, and I am using it as my highlight color. As you see, looks very beautiful. It's like white metallic color, and I also decided to apply a little bit under my eyebrows. And talking about eyebrows, I am going in now with my iconic
London Eyebrow cushion and first brushing my eyebrows, which I have not even done yet. This product is in the color medium. Honestly, I kind of have like a love-hate relationship with this product because I feel like I don't like the way that it comes, the way that you have to apply it, but it actually looks very, very good and lasts very long on my eyebrows. I'm going to set the brows with the Anastasia brow gel. This is just a clear brow gel, and this actually makes your brows very crunchy, which I don't love, but I think I got it for free, so I'm going to use it. I would not repurchase for sure. And now I'm going in with the metallic purple color in the palette. I think it's one called 50 Shades, and I applied it under my lash line, and then I'm going back in again with the same matte purple color called Risque that I used at the beginning, just to kind of brighten up a little bit, because I feel like this eyeshadow sometimes kind of just, I don't know, they fade a little bit maybe on my skin tone, especially the matte ones. Metallics are amazing, like I said before. I did a little bit of lining, and now I'm going to do a little cat eye with this product, which looks pretty cool. It's by Dog Color Amazon. You can buy it on Amazon. So what you do is, it's supposed to help you do a wing very quick. As you saw, I just stamp one side, and then the other side it's the eyeliner. So I just kind of smooth out the lines with the other side, and it is super easy, it is super fast. It is very dark, and I felt like it lasted all day, so I haven't tried it as much, but I think it's nice. Definitely not waterproof or anything like that. And now for the lashes, I'm going in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. This one is a waterproof version, which I have to say I don't like it as much as the regular version. I feel like it's a little bit more dry, unless mine is already drying and I've had it for less than a month. Now for the cheeks, I'm going in with this Pretty Vulgar Cosmetics blush in the color Make Them Blush, or it's called Make Them Blush. Prim Vixen, maybe that's the name of the color, and I am applying it with a front fluffy brush on my cheeks, because this blush is very, very pigmented. As you saw, I still apply it maybe a little more than what I would normally do, but I feel like blushes always kind of after my face sets don't look as bright. I'm going in now with this Artist Couture highlighter, which is amazing, especially for this kind of like look. I'm going in a little bit more chromatic, which I guess is kind of my thing. It is in the color Diamond Glow powder in the color Purple Dream, which has like a purplish, pinky purplish shift. It looks really good on my skin. At the beginning, the first time I used it, I didn't love it, but it just looks amazing. I wanted to try this product that I also received by Dog Color, and it's supposed to help you like separate your lashes, which actually did. I wish I could have, I don't know, done a better job showing you what it did. I think I missed recording the before and the after, but it definitely separates your lashes if you have that problem, especially the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara tends to clump, so this product is pretty cool for that. Now I'm going in with the lip liner that came in the YASS box or bag by Mirabella, and actually I don't see the color, but it's a purpley color. I'm applying it on my lips, and then I'm going in with the Appeal Holographic lip gloss, and just applying on top of where I applied the lip liner. This gloss is in the color Trendsetter. Very beautiful, and that is pretty much all the look, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my uploads, hit the little bell button so you don't miss actually the uploads, and see you on the next one. Let me know, guys, if you have any questions. Love you, and thank you for spending your time with me. Bye.